Hey guys, welcome. I want to take you inside the Wealthy Affiliate platform and just show you the type of training and just how jam-packed this portal is with everything you need to learn to be an internet marketer. So here we're inside the training tab, and the first level courses is called Online Entrepreneur Certification. Inside here, there are a total of 5 different courses. Inside each course, there are 10 lessons. So here's course number 1. This is for Online Entrepreneur Certification. Course number 1, lesson number 1. Lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is understanding how to make money online. Lesson number 3 is helping you to choose a niche. Lesson number 4 is building your own niche website. Lesson number 5 shows you how to set up your website. Number 6 shows you how to get your website ready for the search engines. Lesson number 7 helps you create your initial website content. Lesson number 8 is to help you create custom menus on your website. Lesson number 9 is understanding keywords and keyword research. And these are all the things you'll learn in the course. There are, you can leave comments, rank and rate each particular course. Okay. Let's just go inside one of them. Let's go into choosing a niche. When you go into choose a niche, here is the actual lesson. This is lesson number 3 of 10. There's some text here. There's a video. This video is 17 minutes long that will walk you through what to do. This takes you to another video related to this topic. Again, this course is step by step, and no steps are skipped. If you want to learn internet marketing, affiliate marketing, this is exactly where you need to be. It takes you through step by step by step. So again, there are 5 different courses and there are 10 lessons in each course. So for the Online Entrepreneur Certification, there's a total of 50 lessons in here and different tasks. So it walks you through, again, step by step. The next type of training is Affiliate Bootcamp training. And in Affiliate Bootcamp training, they teach you how to promote and monetize the Wealthy Affiliate platform that we're in right now, how you can make money from that. This is a training activity tab, training headquarters, where these are all the different courses and classrooms that you can search by a topic or keyword. Okay, we'll go back into training. These are all the different classrooms. So again, Wealthy Affiliate started off as just an affiliate training platform, how to do affiliate marketing, but it goes so much deeper than that. Writing content, website development, a full WordPress classroom here, keyword, niche, and market research, video marketing, YouTube marketing, the Wealthy Affiliate platform, search engine optimization, email marketing, pay-per-click marketing. And when you think of affiliate marketing, you think of writing blogs and blog posts and bringing natural, organic traffic to your website, which is the basis of what Wealthy Affiliate started as, but it goes so much further than that. It takes you past that platform, and there's no additional fees for that. It's all included in the program. So here, let's, for example, video marketing. There are 15 videos, 5 courses, 1 webinar, and 5 tutorials just in that one classroom. Here's another classroom, everything WordPress. So to learn how to use WordPress websites and WordPress themes, there's 89 videos, 5 courses, 5 webinars, and 60 tutorials. So these are all the classrooms you can enter. Next, and this is really exciting, this is the live events. Every Friday evening at 5 p.m. Pacific time, one of our super affiliates, Jay, holds a live webinar. And there's a different topic each time. In this archives, there are over, as of this video right now, August 2018, there are over 295 archived webinars in here. Let's go through some topics. We'll go through beautifying your website with images and graphics, developing logos and banners, advancing your authority in any niche, strategies for selling websites and domains, professional theme designs and customization. Let's type in a keyword here. Let's go YouTube. Let's see what he says about YouTube. Advertising on YouTube, streaming on YouTube Live, producing your first YouTube video, rank in your YouTube videos, step-by-step YouTube live streaming. Again, this is an affiliate marketing portal, but there's so much more. And the great thing is these are live. These are not recorded webinars that he just posts up here at his convenience. He comes on live at 5 p.m. Pacific time on the nose every single Friday evening, unless he's on vacation. He hasn't, he's there, most weeks, but he does take vacations and does have a life. So, but typically he's going to be there every single Friday. And at the very end of these webinars, you can post questions. He'll answer your questions live. So if you have a question related to the topic at hand, put it in comments and he will get to them and answer them. Okay. Next is the live chat. This is my main dashboard here. Off to the right is live chat. You can come in this live chat 365 days a year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and someone's in live chat able to answer questions. Here a question was posted seconds ago, a minute ago, 3 minutes ago. Again, questions and answers happening. I'm in the United States. I could come in here at 3 o'clock in the morning, post a question, and there'll be someone on the other side of the world that knows the answer to my question and will help me out. If no one is available here in live chat, I can post questions up here. How do I do email marketing? And these are all the answers that come up. How to find email groups, how to start email marketing, how to promote my marketing content, and again, the list goes on and on. If my question that was asked up here does not get sufficiently answered through here, I type in my own question and I start my own thread and someone's going to answer that question. Again, guys, everything you need is here. This is the real deal. And again, it's not like you come in here and every week they're trying to sell you something. It doesn't work like that. You come in, you become a member. If you go premium, everything is here available to you. The only thing you would extra need additionally would be your own domain name, or they have free domain names and hostings that you can use inside here. That's your choice. But again, come in, you owe it to yourself, check it out. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comments below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.